How to disable Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can disable Instagram account. Now, disabling Instagram account is quite simple and easy. However, you won't find the option particularly on the app itself. Now, as you know, after the latest update, the option to disable or deactivate your account has been hidden on the Instagram app itself. So what you want to do is simply head into your browser on your device, any browser that you want, and then head into instagram.com. Now there, what you want to do is log into your account on the Instagram web browser. Here you can see I've logged into my account. Once you log in, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here on the bottom right, once you tap on the profile icon, you'll be headed to your profile, and you can see my profile here on the screen popping up. What you want to do next is tap on edit profile option that you'll find at the screen and let another page load up. Now here, once you tap on edit profile, this page loads up. Simply scroll all the way down below and you'll find the option temporarily deactivate my account at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it here and it'll take you to next page. Scroll down and select the option where you are deactivating your account. Simply select any option you want and scroll down and type in your password. Here you can see, simply type in your password and tap on temporarily deactivate account option that you'll find at the bottom of your screen, and your Instagram account will be disabled. So this way you can disable Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.